Well, good evening YouTube channel, it's Belmont here. And for this week's video, we are exploring the Mayhem Keys Padlock set and Belmont Bumped a Lock. So, first, I wasn't going to take the time to bump this on video because my setup is crap, admittedly. And I'm not an octopus. But as you can see here, this is the Mayhem Keys 3 most common. That is the M1. And that's the SC1 Slage. And the KW1 Quickset. And this, of course, is a Masterlock uhaul discus lock. Here's the keys for it that actually fit it. And of course, you can't simply take a bump key, put it into the lock, and then turn it. So perhaps that will satisfy those who've said in the past, pick a lock, Raymond. Well, how about Belmont Bumped a Lock? This, of course, is the older style of bump hammer that Mayhem Keys makes. Their newer ones are on sale on their website. Links will be in the description. So, on with the show. So, going in order, we got the American lock, AM3. We got the AM7. That's a 6-pin, even though it is registered on there A1045. Next to that, we got the Vero Brinks, the VR5. You got your M1, M2, M4, M5. They skip ahead to the M10 series, M11, 12, 13, 16, 19, 20, and 21. Now, something that Mayhem Keys does occasionally do is they will make specialty keys to go along with a pick set. So on the side, we have the AM3R, which is a reverse of the standard AM3. And beneath that, we have an M14, or as it's coming up on its listing as 1092J. Now, I do appreciate hearing from Mayhem Keys again due to my last video. And yes, I am completely honest about the quality of their keys. From their bump keys to even the keys for fleet vehicles, motor homes, the works. And the proof is in the pudding right here. Do Mayhem Keys bump keys work? Most assuredly so. The bump hammer is also for individual sale on their website. So, Do I recommend that people purchase a set of bump keys for their padlocks? Yes. Are their prices cost effective and efficient? Yes. Do they offer free shipping? Yes, very much so. Will you be disappointed in buying them? No, I do not believe you would. And while bumping is pretty easy, it's more of an art than a science. Some people, like myself, I can go with a couple of hard strikes to it, 1 or 2, 3 at most, it opens, or a series of rapid taps that come out to be maybe 10 or 12, and then the turning motion. It's all up to the individual user. Now, does Mayhem Keys still make individual keys? You know what? You'll have to ask its current owners and see if they will make you a custom key or two, because you just might need it. So I'd like to thank Mayhem Keys for giving me its older set in the past, and they do have the new proprietary set on their website. So when you buy from Mayhem Keys, you'll be getting their updated version. It's still the same type of bump key, it's just been cut by a more updated machine. So, this is Belmont saying, stick around.